Welcome everyone to this presentation on a literature review about question answering. My name is Li Siqi, and today I would like to share 3 papers that propose some innovative solutions to address the challenges in the existing question answering systems. Before we dive into the papers, let's define question answering first. Question answering is a rapidly developing research problem in the field of computer science. It aims to provide users who pose questions in a natural language with accurate answers. Here also list some typical types of question answering system. In recent years, question answering systems do have witnessed significant advancements, but the existing models in use also meet some challenges. The first challenge is about searching across multiple sources. The multiple data models stored in data lakes may have different data schemas and query interfaces, which makes it difficult for analysts to perform cross-source searching with a general query. The second challenge is about answering multi-hop questions. The answers to those complex queries whose answers cannot be obtained easily from the knowledge graphs are likely to be wrong, and the time and storage costs may be relatively high. The third challenge is that the understanding of the interaction between questions and passages is superficial. Semantic meanings of the questions may be easily ignored. Now let's discuss the solutions proposed in these 3 papers. The first one is called LakeAns to address the issues related to heterogeneous data. It has 2 steps in total. To generate a global relational schema, local relational schemas need to be constructed first. Different approaches are used for data in different formats. The relational schema for a relational database can be shown here. Nodes are specified by the relation schemas, and edges represent reference constraints. For JSON documents and graphs, a classification-based and edge table-based approach are used respectively. Then a reinforcement learning method is used to semantically integrate these local schemas and build a global one. To handle the semantic heterogeneity, logical plan enrichment and semantic joins are further conducted. We can see from the experimental results that LakeAns significantly outperforms than the other 2 models. It costs less time and finds answers with greater coverage rate. The second solution is a BEAM question answering framework for multi-hop questions based on knowledge graphs. It has 2 main components. The first one is a path generation module, which is a sequence-to-sequence model. This model first conducts encoding and then uses a randomly initialized decoder to sequentially predict a relation path. It also adds a denoising autoencoder to improve the model's performance and employs a beam search algorithm to predict some candidate path. Then, these paths serve as the input in this beam search execution part. It first initializes the topic entity and traverses each path by selecting the top k-scoring entities at each hop. Next, it incorporates information from the graph structure and path scores to rank entities. The candidate entities after traversing each path are scored by multiplying their embedded similarity with the path score, and the highest scoring one is selected as the final answer. Besides, an effective fine-tuning step is taken into consideration as an optimization step here. The third solution is called Leader Generator Net. It is useful to distinguish and extract the fine-grained reading skills as well as the implicitness of the question. These are the 4 main components of this model, and their functions can be shown in this graph. And the probability of extraction or generation to get the final answer acts as a soft switch. By integrating the above 3 frameworks, we can build a comprehensive solution to deal with different types of questions, taking advantage of a wider range of techniques. For example, a domain-specific task like fairy tale question answering can be easily accomplished. To conclude, question answering systems do play a crucial role in such a digital age. The research findings of the 3 papers not only provide important theoretical foundations as well as practical guidance, but also offer valuable reference for further research. That's all. Thank you for listening.